How to fix your tapping too fast error on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through steps and how you can fix your tapping too fast error on TikTok. Well, first let's understand what does tapping too fast on TikTok mean. Now basically, you may have received this notice if you have been liking content too quickly. In order to prevent spamming, TikTok may disable a user's account for 24 hours in those circumstances. Now what does commenting too fast mean or tapping too fast mean, right? Now tapping too fast means you are either spamming the likes. Basically you're just going around liking the video, skipping it and doing it quickly and for a longer period of time. So if you are getting the text, what you want to do is you want to simply wait and stop liking any content. Once you let the algorithm cool off, then you'll be able to like back again. So you don't have to worry about it. All you gotta do is wait for a couple of minutes or hour before again starting to like the content. You will also want to avoid the random tapping and spamming the like button. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.